Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying what Python is installed and why you need an update. Run Python 3 version, note the output. Once done, install Homebrew if you do not have it. Homebrew manages packages cleanly, reducing conflicts. Make sure to choose Homebrew-based installs versus messing with System Python, because system updates can break Mac OS tools. Now, update Homebrew with Brew Update so package data is current, and prepare to install the new Python release. You now install and configure the new Python. Run brew install Python at 3.11 or substitute the version number you need. Homebrew downloads and compiles the right binary. Once installed, link it with BrewLink overwrite force Python at 3.11 so Python 3 points to the new executable. Then update your path in /zshrc or /. Bash profile to prioritize Homebrew's bin directory. Edit the file. Add export path equals /usr/local/bin $path or the appropriate Homebrew path, and source the file to apply changes immediately. You finish by validating everything works. Run Python 3 version and pip 3 version to confirm the active install. Once confirmed, recreate or upgrade virtual environments using Python 3 mvenvenv and pip install R requirements. TXD so packages match the new interpreter. If something goes wrong, the main troubleshooting tip is to check path ordering and run Brew Doctor. Misordered path often leaves an old Python active. If Brew indicates issues, follow its suggestions and then relink the Homebrew Python.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.